Hey guys, Lexus Bowser here, and today we are doing a unboxing of a new Amiibo card, I guess you can say, which are the Animal Crossing Amiibo cards, which I got at Walmart for around roughly $6 for one. I got two of them, as you can see, and then I got these are the Series 1. And here are the Series 3. And I got two of each, because these are the only ones they have. So, we're going to open them up. Let's see. Make sure I don't... We're going to open one for now. I don't know how to... Gotta make sure I don't... Oh, there you go. Alright. Make sure I don't, there you go. Alright. Here's, you can see some little animals. That Isabel, Tom Nook. The new one, I don't have Happy Home Designer yet. So I'm planning on getting it, so might as well collect these cards, and I'm a huge Animal Crossing fan too. So here's a little thing I can rip, actually. Alright. Alright, let's see who we got. I'm not trying to see it either. Here's the Amiibo, as you can see. Alright, so we're gonna go. We got... I'm sorry if I can't pronounce these names. We got Cyrano, Jeremiah, Mint. Ooh, she looks cute. What's this? Sterling. He looks cool. I like this. Blue Bear. That's cute. And this is the next holographic card. Sable! Oh, cool. I love Sable. Awesome. That's one card. Alright. So we're going to move on to the next card. And I'm going to try to cut like around somewhere so I can at least like hang it on my wall. This may take a while. I don't want to ruin this. Oh no, I'm messing it up. There it is. Here's the next pack. Alright. Next pack. This is the last pack for Series 1. So, we are going to cut this up. There we go. Another one. Okay. Alright. We got Peanut. Biff, Pudge. We got Sterling. It's a repeat. We got a repeat. Another repeat. Blue Bear. Oh, Sahara. That's cool. So we got two repeats. That's fine. It's a pretty big deck for one. Okay. Series 2. Let's get on it. I'm gonna cut this part off so we can. Trying to make sure where the. Let's just open it. Why not? Alright. Series 3, I think. Did I say? Yeah, I think I accidentally said Series 2. That's fine. I don't want to fold these. Alright, so who do we have? We have Chrissy, Curly, Joey, Berto, Elvis, Tom Nook! Tom Nook! Oh! Oh my god, Tom Nook! Oh, yes! Yes! Yes, I'm happy. Alright, Tom Nook. Alright. Next card. I am so happy I got Tom Nook. Alright, here's my other card. Alright, so the last card, I am so happy I got Tom Nook. Because I recently also got the Tom Nook Amiibo. As you can see right here. They're my favorite. I love these. I love Tom Nook. He's my favorite Animal Crossing character. Alright, so we're going to go on with the next one, which is the last card that I have in this series. So we're going to cut this actually, because I'm scared of it. I am scared to cut this. No, I can't. It's, there should have been like an alternate way to open these up. Oh, I guess that was really, like, so you have to really destroy this thing, and I don't like destroying it. Alright. Please no repeats. Please no repeats. Alright, let's see. Alright, next set. I didn't even cut it right. There we go. Alright, let's see who we got. We got Rolf. He's pretty cool. Or is it a girl? Rolf, that sounds like a male name. I don't know. I'm not judging or anything. I think I am. Oh, I'm pretty am. Mo. Stinky. Warjo. I hate War Jr. I am trying to get him out of my Animal Crossing A New Leaf town. I hate him. I'm gonna burn this card. I'm just kidding. Elvis. Timmy! Tom Nook's kid. Alright. This is a, well, other than War Jr., this is a pretty good deck. This, oh my god, this is a lot of cards too. Look at that. And I only bought like 4. Yeah, I bought 4. Alright. I am so in love with Animal Crossing. Damn. Why? Why does he have to exist? I hate him. I freaking hate him. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I did so much. Yeah, leave a like subscribe, and I'll do more of these. Actually, I'm gonna buy more of these. At first, I was like thinking, I'm probably not gonna buy any because I'm scared. But these are really cool. I like these, and also I can, since Animal Crossing: A New Leaf is getting an update, which you can have, which is gonna have Amiibo support, which I can have these villagers to visit, and also they will, yeah, they'll just come in and visit. It'll be cool to have one of these. I don't hate any of these. These are, except for Ward Jr. obviously, and get him out of here. All of these villagers look cool. Like I really like these villagers so much. I got 2 repeats, so that's kind of lame, but hey, that's the beauty of collecting cards, I guess. You're gonna get repeats. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and have a good one.